In this video, I'll show you how to create a course on Gumroad and start sharing your knowledge with the world. Once you're logged in, head to your dashboard and click on the Products tab. This is where you'll manage everything you plan to sell. Now, click New Product to begin. A window will appear asking what type of product you're creating. Choose course or tutorial, the perfect option for online lessons. Next, give your course a clear and engaging title that reflects its value. Then, select the right currency for your audience and set a price that feels fair and aligned with what your course offers. Click Next to move into customization. Here's where you make your course stand out. Write a detailed, inviting description explaining what learners will gain, any prerequisites, and the key benefits. Then, upload an image or video to serve as your course cover. Visuals play a big role, so make them attractive and relevant. You can also add a short summary to highlight the course's main strengths. Then click Add Details to include any extra information that might help buyers decide. Once everything looks perfect, hit Save and continue. You'll then move to the Content section. This is where you upload your actual course materials such as videos, PDFs, or lessons. Once you've reviewed and confirmed everything, click Publish and continue. And that's it. Your course is now live on Gumroad, ready to reach students everywhere. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials like this.